Hello and welcome to Love and Light Meditations. I'm Cassie and I'm here to guide you today for your morning meditation for some positive energy. Whether you are lying in bed or you are sitting in a comfortable seat, just take a moment to relax. Find your comfort. We're going to start the practice today by taking 3 deep breaths. We'll inhale through the nose and exhale with a sigh out through the mouth. Take an inhale and exhale to prepare. And when you're ready, take a big inhale through the nose and exhale with a sigh. Take 2 more of these breaths, inhaling deeply through the nose and exhale out through the mouth. Just allow the rhythm of your breath to guide you into the space for the morning. Throughout this morning meditation, we're going to focus on gratitude and love. The more we can focus on the positive aspects of our lives, the more of that we can begin to bring in. The more gratitude we show, the more open we can be to receive. You take a moment here just with your breath. I invite you to think about one thing that you are grateful for this morning. Maybe it's the space that you have been able to carve out to sit with me today. Maybe something wonderful is happening in your life today and you are truly grateful. Maybe somebody is spending their time with you today and you are grateful as it lights you up from the inside out. Just take a moment to reflect on this gratitude. Reflect on the gratitude for this practice. The gratitude for this time and space. Maybe as you reflect on this gratitude, you may feel a smile start to form on your face. And as we embrace the physical responses to gratitude and happiness, we notice that the heart space feels a little bit lighter. Holding that feeling in the heart space, holding that smile gently on the face. holding the gratitude for this moment, this time, this space. And as we reflect on the openness of the heart from our gratitude, I invite you to think about one person who you really love. One person for whom your heart beats a little bit faster. Take a moment to bring them into this heart space with you. Focus on the person, on your person. Now take a moment to think about one thing about this person that makes you feel such love. Maybe they are the one person that can make you laugh like no other. Maybe they are that one person that gives you a reason to hop out of bed each morning. Or maybe that one person you love so much has been the person that has shown you to love yourself a little bit more. And with gratitude and love, you can hold this person in your heart space. And as you inhale and exhale, bring the breath in and out of the heart space. Allow this heart space to expand with love and gratitude. With each expansion of the heart, with each beat, feel the love and the gratitude being passed on. Feel your vibration rise. Feel yourself being able to send this vibration to somebody else today. Keeping that breath moving in and out of the heart space. With each in-breath, you are capable of letting in a little bit more gratitude and love. And with each exhale, you are able to pass that vibration to somebody else. By holding this positive energy, you are able to share, allowing other people to feel the energy from you, from your heart space, from this place of gratitude and love. simply let go of the attention to the breath. Just allow your breath to enter and leave the body with its natural rhythm. And take a moment to set your intention for the day. Maybe you can take some moments throughout the day to reflect back on this practice. Reflect back on this feeling. And in moments when you need it, you can bring yourself back to gratitude and love. May the rest of this day be filled with gratitude and love for you and for those around you as you vibrate higher and you are able to share this vibration with them and for them. Filling your life today with positive energy. The body feels awakened, mind is alive, the heart is full of love and gratitude. Taking these last few moments in this meditation with me today to just hold on to that intention. Breathing in the intention, absorbing it through the heart, through the cells, through the whole of the body. Bringing it in with each in-breath, absorbing, feeling, slowly bring your hands together in front of the heart space. May your day be filled with gratitude and love. And may your vibration be high the whole day.